Hello and welcome to VIQTOR DAVIS webinar series. My name is Biswarup and I am Senior MDM Architect. In this series of webinars, we will try to demonstrate the advanced feature of Informatica Product 360. This is the first session where we will show how to set up PIM SDK in local laptop and run server. The assumption is that you have already installed Microsoft SQL Server 2017 Express Edition, Java 1.8, Eclipse IDE for RCP and RIP Developer 2020-2026. The objective is to set up database and run PIM core server, then access the server through PIM desktop client and PIM web client. However, we have demonstrated this installation using PIM version 10.0.0.01.04 and SQL Server Express 2017. The similar process can be followed with any other compatible versions. Run Eclipse and choose your workspace from extracted folder. Choose the folder called workspace inside Henry. Once you open the workspace, go to Preferences, Plugin Development and then Target Runtime and add a new target runtime. While creating the target runtime, choose the software side and select the folder inside targets in the extracted binary. Give a name to the repository. It can be anything. Remove ECC from the content from the software side. Once you are done, click on Finish. Once completed, set the target platform as default and apply. Set the Java compiler to version 1.8. Now import the predefined servers and client configuration. In order to do that, go to File, Import and choose Existing Project into Workspace. Then choose the folder called Henry in the extracted directory of the binary. You have two projects, configuration and launches. Select both the projects and click on Finish. Create a new file called server.properties or edit the existing server.properties from the original server. Or you can also choose a new create file from the MS SQL template given by the provider. Then change the parameters for both server setup and database setup. You can refer PIM installation manual for details about the parameters. To run DB client, go to Run and then Run Configuration and choose Database Setup. System asks for the server.properties file as input. Browse and give the file and click on Run. After successful completion of database setup, check the local SQL server and confirm that the databases are created as per as the input provided in the server.properties. For troubleshooting, please refer to installation manual. Once everything is completed properly, the PIM server is ready for execution. In order to run PIM server, go to Run Configuration and choose Product Manager Server and click on Run. After the server is started properly, run the PIM desktop client. In order to run PIM desktop client, go to Run Configuration and choose Product Manager Client and click on Run. As we have logged into desktop client, let us create a new product from desktop client. Normally, without adding the web client plugin, it is not possible to access the web client through browser. In order to run PIM web client, we have to add some features in Server Manager configuration plugin setting. Click on Select Feature and search with the web and choose the appropriate plugin and rerun the server. Quickly check whether all the plugins required has been added or not. Once it is added, then apply and run the server. Now, once the server is running successfully, open the browser and access PIM web client. As a confirmation, check if you can see the product which you have created using desktop client in the previous step. Hope you have enjoyed. We will come back soon with more advanced feature using Informatica Product 360. To know more, or if you have any questions, please reach out VIQTOR DAVIS MDM team through our website. Thank you for watching this webinar.